Hello everyone, this is Gene and Daryl. It's such a beautiful day, we thought we'd sit down at the bottom of our driveway and wave to all the cars and trucks going by and spread a little bit of cheer. Do you have a favorite time of the year? We do. It's spring. We like spring. It's the time of renewal, new life, new growth. Light and color come from the darkness of winter. Sounds you haven't heard in months, like spring peepers and sandhill cranes and chipmunks and motorcycles and sports cars. We've gotten some waves and honks already, so we're happy about that. We're just happy to be outside on such a beautiful day. Every morning, Daryl and I read the page for the date out of Jesus Calling, written by Sarah Young. It's a wonderful devotional. It consists of a page for each day of the year, and these short messages are written such that when you read them, they're like Jesus is talking directly to you. And the one from April 2nd, yesterday, was all about gardens and growth and new life. And the garden theme, I think, is so appropriate for this time of year. The miracle of new life springs from the ground. Everything is alive, including Jesus. That's the real miracle of the season. Jesus is alive. That's the miracle. He came out of the ground. He rose from the grave. He rolled that stone away to give new life that will never end. It's so appropriate to celebrate Easter this time of year. So perfect. The earth springs from darkness to light. Our Lord rises from a dark tomb, comes to life, and shines His light on the world. So we just wanted to cheer a few people up and tell you that among all this darkness there is light and there is hope. The miracle of the resurrection should assure us that anything is possible. So long for now.